Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the design of 4 into 16 decoder using 3 into 8 decoders. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Design of 4 into 16 decoder using 3 into 6, 3 into 8 decoder, two types, two numbers. Right, we know that decoder is a device having n input and 2 to the power n output. N input and 2 to the power n output. Here n is 4, 2 to the power 4, 16. 4 inputs and 16 outputs. Here n equal to 3, 2 to the power 3, 8 outputs. 3 inputs and 8 outputs. So we need to design the 4 into 16 decoder. 4 input and 16 output decoder. So here 3 into 8. So 8 outputs are available, so that we are using two numbers. 2 into 3, 16 outputs we will get, right? Two numbers of 3 into 8 decoder we are using. So here 4 inputs are available. Let us consider A, B, C, D. 4 inputs A, B, C and D. Here we need 3 inputs. Only 3 inputs are needed. So we can use A, B, C as a 3 inputs. And D is used for enable these two, enable or disable these two decoders. We are using two decoders at a time. We can use only one decoder, another decoder will be disabled. So this the input D is used to enable or disable the two decoders, so that we'll get the output from only one decoder at a given time. Now we'll see the logic diagram. So this is the logic diagram. We are using 3:8 decoder, number 1 and number 2. It is named as top and bottom. Top decoder and bottom decoder, having 3 inputs and 8 different outputs. 3 inputs and 8 different outputs. Right. So out of 4 inputs available in 4 into 16 decoder, A, B, C is connected as the input of this 3 into 8 decoder. A, B, C, first 3 inputs. The same input connected to the bottom decoder also. Top decoder and bottom decoder, the input is ABC. Right. One more input D is used for enabling this top decoder and bottom decoder. So it is connected as a enable input. So it is inverted. So it is 0. D equal to 0 means here 1 will be there. So the top decoder will be enabled. If it is 1, it become already one inverter is available. So this bottom decoder will be enabled. At that time here it become 0, right? D equal to 0, top decoder enabled. D equal to 1, bottom decoder will be enabled. So while enabling top decoder, we will get 8 different outputs, Y0 to Y7, right? That is D0 to D7. At that time bottom decoder is disabled. When bottom decoder is enabled, these outputs are 0. Only will get these outputs. So totally we are getting from D0 to D7, then D8 to D15. 16 different outputs will be available, right? So out of 4 inputs, we are using 3 inputs for these two decoder. 4th input is used as enabling this top and bottom decoders, so that we are getting output from one decoder at a time. At that time the output of second decoder is 0. Similarly, while enabling this bottom decoder, we will get the output from this, and these outputs are 0. Now we'll see the truth table for the further understanding. So this truth table is available here. The D equal to 0 means top decoder is enabled and bottom decoder is disabled. So that we'll get the data from D0 to D7, D8 to D15 will be 0. If D equal to 1, bottom decoder is enabled and top decoder is disabled. Bottom decoder means we'll get the data from D8 to D15. At that time D0 to D7 is 0. All inputs, all outputs are 0, right? So D equal to 0, we'll get data from D0 to D7. D equal to 1, we'll get the data from D8 to D15. Now we'll see the truth table. So this is the input A, B, C. A, B, C is connected to both top decoder and bottom decoder. This D is used for enabling the top decoder or bottom decoder. So this is the top decoder, D0 to D7. This is bottom decoder D9 to D15, right? We'll see what will happen if D equal to 0. First combination D equal to 0. So the D equal to 0, in that time this top decoder is enabled. The all inputs of bottom decoder are 0. All are zeros, right? In this D equal to 0, another 8 combinations available because of 3 inputs A, B, C. There are 8 combinations. 2 to the power 3, 8 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, like that. So based on these 8 combination, we'll get the 8 different outputs here, right? We will see how it is we are getting. So D equal to 0, top decoder is enabled, bottom decoder is disabled. So output of bottom decoder, all the outputs from 8 to 15 is 0. Now we'll see how it will get the 8 different output from the value of ABC. 0, 0, 0 means the D naught will be 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 0, 1 means D1 is 1. D1 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 1, 0 means D2 output. The terminal D2 output will be 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 1, 1 means D3 will be 1. Other digits are 0. 1, 0, 0. Then D4 will be 1. The D4 output will be 1. Others are 0. 1, 0, 1 means D5 output will be 1. Other digits are 0. 1, 1, 0. D6 output will be 1. Others are 0. 1, 1, 1 means D7 output will be 1. Other digits are 0. So based on this 8 combination, we are getting 8 different outputs starting from D0 to D7. D8 to D15 will be 0, right? Now if the D is 1, again another 8 more combinations are there. If D equal to 1, what happened? This bottom decoder is enabled now. The output of the top decoder, all the outputs are 0. All the outputs are 0. Only with the bottom decoder will get the output. So bottom decoder is now this disabled. Top decoder is now, top decoder is disabled and bottom decoder is enabled. Again we have 8 combinations are there. 0, 0, 0 means we will get D8 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 0, 1 means D9 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 1, 0 means we will get D10 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 0, 1, 1 means D11 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 1, 0, 0 means D12 output is 1. Other digits are 0. 1, 0, 1 means D13 output will be 1. 1, 1, 0 means D14 output will be 1. 1, 1 means D15 output will be 1. So that we are getting this 8 different output because of these 8 combinations of ABC when D equal to 1, right? So when D equal to 0, we are getting 8 different outputs, D0 to D7. When D equal to 1, we are getting another 8 outputs, D8 to D15. So totally we are getting 16 outputs, right? D0 to D15. So in this video we discuss how to construct the 4 into 16 decoder, 4 input with a 16 output decoder using 2 numbers 3 into 8 decoder, right? So out of 4 inputs, we are using 3 input for both the decoders. One more input is used for enable or disable the decoders 1 and 2. So that we are getting 8 different output when D equal to 0. Another 8 different output when D equal to 1. So totally 16 output we are getting. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.